Hey, it's Shubumi from Parallel Leads, and I will show you in this video how to create a campaign in RestingBox. So after clicking the campaign section right here, it brings you to this. It shows you all the campaigns that have been added. Then, in order for you to create a new campaign, you will click on the Add New right here. So once that has been clicked, then you enter the name of the campaign. So it's very crucial for us to enter the name of the campaign because it helps us to identify what the campaign is about or what the campaign is talking about later on. So yeah, after that is being done, we are going to select the email account that will be used to send out emails. So obviously per account there are daily limits, right? We've looked at that in the option settings. So there are daily limits of sending. So the numbers of accounts we select determines our total sending capacity. So what I'm trying to say here is that let's say for example, if one account sends 20 emails per day, then five accounts will give us around 100 emails per day. Yeah, does that make sense? Yes. So um, the next one is after doing that, then we are going to set our sending schedule. The sending schedule is just basically like emails that are sent during working hours. Let's say for example, like obviously weekdays only, no emails are sent on weekends. So from 9 to 5 weekdays. Yeah, so like setting it like this allows our email look more natural. So the next step we're gonna do is yeah, after that then we're gonna save the campaign and the campaign appears in this section. And so after creating the campaign, then it shows in this place. Then the next step for us to do is setting up the sequence. So yeah, that is actually easy. You just click on. We'll talk about that in the next video. For this purpose of this video is just to show how to create a new campaign, and that has been done. And I hope you guys understand how to create a new campaign now. So see you in the next one.